Hi guys, and welcome back to another video with me, your girl Queen Nisha, on another video.
You should know I'm a Bahamian from the Bahamas. It's the place you vacation. Slam domino every occasion. If I did it all.
New, welcome to the Royal Squad. What's poppin'? How's it going? How's it hanging? And if you're old, welcome back. I see you're here, my loyal subscriber, you know, my little fam. But so by the title, by the thumbnail, you should know I'm doing a braid out. It's not a tutorial, it's just me trying out a product that I just got, which is African Pride. Yes, which is this African Pride leave-in conditioner, because I just got it and why not try it out. So just gonna show you what I use. I use this lovely queen pen because you know I'm a queen. Then I use this, of course, I picked, oh, and I used Jamaican mango and lime, pure Jamaican black castor oil, peppermint, okay, and a little bit of coconut oil because I mixed these two together, but this was already castor oil in it, so I just added more castor oil in it because castor oil is good for my soul. But overall my braid all came out, I don't know, I think it's a fail because half of it did come out, half of it didn't. Like this side, some parts of this side is still straight. We're not gonna get into that. See this little part right here, I don't know why. Some parts of this part side came out great. You can see the curls in the back here. My hair did come out nice. I actually did this and got all dressed up to do a TikTok. So at the end of this video, I'm gonna leave the TikTok there. I literally do this to do a TikTok. Half of the TikTok, you know. I tried to do my edges, but I need Ego styling gel and I don't got none. So I gotta make shift with what I got, which is this Gorilla Snot. I was gonna say glue, but it's Gorilla Snot. Okay, this is the hair gel and not Gorilla Glue. The hair gel. Because my hair still moves.
My hair, it don't move. You hear what I'm telling you? It don't move.
This, the Gorilla Snot actually is work on my edges, but I really didn't do much. I just swoop and bye. You can see it in this video. So stay tuned for my tutorial. No, like I said, this is in the tutorial. Stay tuned for how my hair came out with me taking it down and what's not. So I twisted my hair like I said earlier with this. Okay, so I just have these two left. my 2 antennas, so I'm gonna take them out on camera. What I was doing was just putting my coconut oil, my castor oil on it, just rubbing it through, and then putting it on my fingers so it don't frizz. But this is my first time using this product, to be exact, and I was kind of scared because I didn't know if it was gonna flake or what's not. So yeah. The curls came out good, major shrinkage, even though I did not put no water on my hair. I just put the leave-in conditioner on it and oil. I didn't want to put water on it, so it shrank a lot. Look, these are really nice. Okay, so this is how the twist, the braid out came out. The curls are there, if you can see it. The curls are literally there. But just going to fluff them at the roots. Gonna fluff them at the roots basically, and then separate them. So I did hope you enjoyed the video of me doing my hair, taking out my hair. Whenever I take out my hair or do my hair, I have to listen to music, which is a problem. It makes me go faster and sometimes it makes me go slower. But yeah, I just use, like I said in the beginning, when I braided my hair, I just use this and some water. And then I just use castor oil to oil the braids and my scalp. And when I was done. But yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this video. I did work hard on my hair. I stayed up all the last night doing my hair, even though I went to sleep early. But yeah. Okay. Anyway, guys, I'll see you next time on another video with me, your girl queen, Nisha. Peace.